Hey, what's up, car life? I got this Audi S6 2017 with the 4 liter. So we're getting ready to do a coolant pump. So I'm gonna have to lift the vehicle up, take off both front wheels, and I have to remove the front clip and bring it forward because, as you can see, there's no space here. All right, so let's get started. Super clean S6. All right, so before we lift it off the ground, we got to go in and turn off the air suspension. All right, so that's it. All right, so now we got the wheels off. And now it's time to remove all these screws here so I can get behind the bumper and to remove the bumper. All right, so we got the screws loose from up there on both sides. Got the undercover removed. As you can see, this is the thermostat and the water pump here. As you can see, there's no room. Give it up to Audi to push the engine all the way in the front across the axle. So that's how we got to remove everything. A little bit of catch up. Already got the front bumper off. As you can see, it's right there. So now we got the headlights out. Headlight connector. This is the airbag connector. This is in the headlight. So I'm about to get this headlight out. So you gotta remove the screw here. One screw here. Another one here. And then the headlight comes out, and then you disconnect the connectors. Okay, so move a couple of things. Now we gotta remove the coolant hose from right here. As you see, you're gonna start draining the coolant. All right, so my next step now is to remove the coolant hose that goes to the cooler. That's right here. Remove that. I gotta get this out of the way. Now I gotta remove the condenser and get that out of the way. And then next step is to remove the radiator. It's coming along slowly. This is my first time doing this, so let's go. All right, so I got the condenser out of the slots right here. Just had to push it up. Had to remove that air duct, and there's a little bracket that goes right here, which is right there. Had to remove that. The 2 screws are behind here, so I had to release the carrier and bring it forward towards me. We got the other side loose, so now there's 2 coolant hoses in the back here. Can't really see them because I ain't got no light. So there's 2 coolant hoses right here. I gotta remove the coolant hose off of it so I can drain the coolant and get the radiator out somehow. I'm not even sure because it's in here. I think this lifts out and it comes out and go up. So let me see. I'll get back to you. All right, so I got one of the radiator clips out. There goes the other one. So we just gotta put a screwdriver into the side like that. and push it out. Alright, so now the radiator is pretty much loose, and under here there was another screw that was holding it in on both sides, right here. I already took those out. These are them. So now I gotta lift up the radiator, take it out, and then I got some room back here. Alright, so now I got the radiator out. It's over here. Now we can get to the water pump and thermostat. This is the new one, you can see. So I already removed this, loosen that. And now I gotta loosen this cooler line right here. Bolt is right there. Then there's another hose back there. This should comes out with the old one, so I gotta release that clamp there. I gotta see how I'm gonna do that, and then remove the screws here, and then take it out. All right, so I finally got the water pump, which is this right here, and it goes into the engine. The engine spins it. That's Audi's design, and this is the housing that goes over it just like that. And this section is the thermostat. These clamps is the hardest clamps to squeeze. Jeez. So that's it. Now it's time to put the new one back in, and let's get it back together. All right, so we got back everything back in. Water pump housing, water pump, the thermostat, all the hoses connected, all the harnesses connected, all the lines all bolted up. I had to remove the oil cooler, so I could have got this in straight. So now it's back on. Everything is all connected. Everything is good to go. So now is to get the radiator in, condenser back on. All right, so I'm checking for any vacuum leaks. As you can see right there, it's holding steady at 25. So I got the radiator back in, the condenser's on, the cooler for the turbocharged system, that's back on. So the only thing left now is to get the intake box back in, headlights, front bumper, and then we should be good to go. Still holding. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright, so now I got the vacuum on it, so it's holding pressure. So we should be good to go to assemble everything back, headlights, bumper, air duct for the cooler. All right, so I got the bumper on, headlights in, all the ACC sensors are plugged in, camera is plugged in, so we should be good to start it up. So I just gotta put this, connect this back, that, and we should be good. All right, so let's go in to start up. Alright, let's go check for leaks. Alright, now we're going for a test drive. Alright, peeps, so that's it. That's it for this one. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.